Female masturbation?
I think masturbation is the thing.
Romantic.
Honey.
Extra horny.
रूम खुला रख के कौन करता है?
Choices between brushing and not brushing, right? It's like a habit.
I don't need a code word for masturbating. I think
I'm pretty regular.
I think every girl has touched themselves.
Guys, I need to like touch myself. I think Sua's in the bathroom.
Like a toy.
I use my imagination.
I use my husband.
Because it's healthy also.
I just basically think it's a problem with us having issues with female sexuality. Where when women own their own pleasure, then you kind of make men disposable. And I think that just makes, I think it makes everybody uncomfortable. Women make women uncomfortable about masturbation.
Women are not supposed to be sexual beings in our country.
girls do not.
Sex is really good, but masturbation is really, really good.
Yes.
I do.
I like it.
I think masturbation is the thing which everyone does it, but no one really talks about it.
Yeah, I'm actually really shy right now to even say yes, so that's a great point.
Yes.
Yes. Some days it's different, some days you're feeling extra romantic.
Horny.
Extra horny.
Yes, I do.
No. I don't know.
Never.
I have. I did speak to my best friend about it, and because our body was going through so many changes, so I wanted to know what am I doing, what is happening. So we did discuss about it, but yeah, we were very hesitant back then.
That's interesting. No, I don't think I think we're so busy in our lives that we just do what we have to do and move on.
Yeah, I think female friendships are very open like that. We do share a lot of things, a lot of personal things and experiences. So yes, it's definitely out there.
For sure.
We have discussed. We are very comfortable with it.
Yeah, I have talked about it, but like in length and discussion, we have done it.
Every time I think it happens, it's more like, sort of release the stress.
You know how I feel?
I became sexually active with another person first and then with myself. So that relationship with myself developed after I had already exploded with a guy.
No, I remember clearly. I was 13 years old. I was watching Speed on Star World with Keanu Reeves, and so he was running across in one scene, and I was sitting on my couch, and I guess my couch saw some loving that day.
I think every girl has touched themselves because obviously that's one thing.
Our needs is just not is not acceptable. It's 2020, but I doubt if it is.
You know, when I was in 10th standard, my friend came and told me that he had a boner way back. Then why don't we talk about masturbation is one thing I don't understand. I don't shy away from talking about it.
I just basically think it's a problem with us having issues with female sexuality. Where when women own their own pleasure, then you kind of make men disposable. And I think that just makes, I think it makes everybody uncomfortable. Women make women uncomfortable about masturbation.
Yeah, women are not supposed to be sexual beings in our country.
So I think our society has been curbing female sexuality since forever. A lot of women don't even express the desire to have sex.
I think I'm pretty regular because it's healthy also.
It happens when it happens. I am regular, but
Like a toy.
no, never. I mean never.
Electronic toothbrush, maybe?
Whenever I feel like
I think they do it more than guys.
I'm sure, because we're so repressed, because it's something that we don't talk about, the curiosity also kicks in.
We are trying to catch up with the men.
Yeah,
so
it's like, आज हम रोज
अगर नहीं भी करेंगे तो करेंगे.
Yeah.
I think they do, yes. But guys admit it more often and girls do not.
So I've heard that it causes cancer, infertility, and a lot of other stupid things.
Used to believe that it's something that only men do.
A lot of girls think that.
Yeah, a lot of
Still
girls
do
think that.
I think female masturbation is a myth. And it's true. I mean, if you actually look at like you know that Swara Bhaskar scene in Veere the Wedding when she's touching.
Yes.
She got so much flack for it.
Yes.
I'm like, this is so normal.
Washroom.
My bed, my room, my privacy is where it all happens.
Yes, bed. I love it. Like honestly, it's so comfortable. I would do it on the bed only.
I'd like to do it on a bed.
Masturbation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I can't choose between masturbation and sex.
Sex is really good, but masturbation is really, really good.
If you want to come fast, so then masturbation is the thing to go for.
So some people thought I was putting makeup in the bathroom.
Yesterday.
I don't know. I don't remember.